Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Health Well. Today in our channel we are going to explain you about eye coffee. In day-to-day life we are suffering from many health issues. Among them, diabetes is a major one. Most of the Indians in today's life are suffering from diabetes. Why we are getting diabetic is a major question that occurs these days. Most of the people suffering from diabetes due to the intake of more and more carbohydrates, no sleep, having irregular meals at irregular times. Earlier, diabetes is a genetic disorder, but nowadays people are suffering from diabetic due to the change in their lifestyle. Even a teenager, adult are also suffering from diabetic in this present era. Diabetic is an origin to cause many diseases and complications. Diseases and complications like hunger, thirsty, excessive sleep, numbness, memory loss, and frequent urination. The most major complications that occur due to diabetic are neuropathy, retinopathy, and nephropathy. Till date, synthetic drugs are used to control diabetic, but it only helps to maintain sugar level in the body and also increases the dosage day by day, and also take to the level to intake of insulin, but complications in your body remain same. But now we are here to explain you about eye coffee, which helps to cure diabetic naturally. Eye coffee is an Ayurvedic medicine which is used from 700 BC. It is originated from Ayurveda Pitamaha Charaka, and it is published in the book Charaka Samhita. In Charaka Samhita, Charaka explained the bark of Ekanayakam plant should be soaked in water overnight and converted into kashayam to control diabetes. But now this kashayam is converted as coffee beans. This coffee bean has low caffeine in it. These coffee beans are hugely available at Karnataka state. And the specialty of this eye coffee is it has no caffeine and no sugar. This eye coffee reduces diabetic and its complications, further problems which arise from diabetes. This eye coffee helps in the proper functioning of kidney, stress relief, numbness, and also helps in the maintenance of sugar level. How to use eye coffee? Eye coffee is of two types: eye coffee creamer, eye coffee black. Eye coffee creamer is taken once in a day to prevent from diabetes. Eye coffee black is taken twice in a day, that is morning and evening, to prevent from diabetes. This eye coffee is taken in 100 ml of hot water for 120 days. For more details and orders of the product, please contact our mail ID healthwell2005d@gmail.com. Thank you.